fashionistas, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey, and welcome to the Fashion Me community. We are here to discuss everything and show everything about my lifestyle here in New York City, and I just recently graduated college. Also showing you about the fun fab ways of how to dress into fashion and the new beauty tips and tricks of today's day and age. So without more further ado, let's get right into this video. So today's topic is going to be my favorite goodies, and I feel like I have to do a series of just all of the products, the beauty products I've used, and that you guys need to genuinely know that I have gone through these products. I have used them like an everyday person. I'm just like you, and I go through them, I smell them, I use them, I scrub it all over, and I make sure to also follow other people's reviews. But most of all, I want to let you know which are my top faves, from hair products, fragrances, beauty creams, everything beauty, like everything. So let's get right into it. What are my top, I'm gonna say my top 4 fragrance products that I have ultimately finished till the very last drop, or that I'm continuously using. So let's go with the Gucci Bloom fragrance. This is the rollerball set that you can take with you in your purse, in your clutch, in your bag, or even if you're going to work or school, and just, you know, dabble it around your ears, your wrists, your neck, your chest, everywhere really. So what I love about the Gucci Bloom perfume is it smells so good. It has a wonderful note of florals and a whole bunch of other fragrancy term stuff that I don't really know, but I will make sure to put in the description box or somewhere along the screen to show you how amazing it smells. Like literally, it's almost orgasmic. I'm not lying to you. So when I got this set, I had 3 of them come in a box, which I will show somewhere around here, and it literally lasts me, I think, less than 3 months. And so each rollerball set, I would say, has around, let me see, 0.25 ounces. So it will last, each roller set, if you're obsessive and psychotic like me and constantly going out and sweating, would be like a month of longevity for each rollerball. But super good. It is a bit expensive, but hey, it's from Gucci, so it's just kind of that luxe product that you would want to be giving yourself or gifting to someone if you're feeling extra, you know, bougie. But on to the next. If you want to look for more affordable products, and I'm pretty sure everybody and their mother uses the Victoria's Secret body sprays. I mean, that 5 for $25 or whatever the other deal is. I think 8 for $28 or something like that. Hello, any girl or guy or whatever is gonna take advantage. Hello. So this is one of my favorites. I don't believe that they have them anymore. I actually checked on eBay that they have it for like $18, and this one's called the Beach Blossom Fragrance Mist. I believe I got this one for 18 bucks. Or no, I wouldn't do that. I got the 5 for 25, because why would I buy one for 18 when you could buy 5 for $25? There. So the notes on this particular fragrance, though, sorry to get off topic, you know guys, I get too excited when I delve into this. This is how you know it's real. Like, it's hashtag New York City real, okay? But it has smell of sun showers, floating petals, shades on sexy escape, or at least that's what it says behind the bottle. See? Now I can tell you. But I really love how this smells. Like, I remember sometimes I'll be spraying this right before I'm about to clock into my shift at work, and people will ask me, oh my god, what's that smell? You smell so good, what did you put on? And no one would even hint that it was a body spray. So really great for longevity if you just want to have a quick spritz. But me, I'm psycho, so I would usually spritz this from 2 to 3 times a day, maybe, if I have it handy. If not, I'll just use it once before I leave the house in the morning and good to go. But I love perfume. I love fragrance. Like, I have a problem. I will literally shower in perfume if I don't remind myself, have a mental note to myself that that's not okay, that I can suffocate people or even make someone ill next to me die. So caution with how much you spray. Spray cautiously. But last but not least, of course, is the Britney Spears, I lost the cap, Britney Spears Fantasy Spray, and this packaging is 3.3 ounces. I'm sad that it's gone. I think I could still get a little bit. Let's see if eventually this will happen, because I see that there's a little left. Oh, you see that little like thingy? It's there. It's trying. Oh my goodness, it smells so sweet. You literally feel like you're in a cotton candy store. I'm telling you, like, there's a guy that you want to seduce around you, or let me not be that X-rated. If there's some a boy you have a crush on or something, and you want, or a girl, and you want to spray some on and pass around them, literally it smells like cotton candy sweetness, just florals, just peachiness. Like, you will want to eat whoever smells like this. I literally love this perfume. I have been using this perfume since I was 13 years old. When I first traveled to DR, this was one of the first perfumes I've ever used. So that's what got me into my hype. Besides, you know, going into your mom's perfumes and your aunties and your grandmas, you know, typical stuff when you're a kid. You go into the adult stuff. But now I will lastly be showing you the Chloe Duo set, fragrance set, that I don't have any of them in. But I just wanted to show you how cute these little boxes are. And it actually holds 0.17 ounces of the packaging. So let me actually show you what one of the fragrances look like, because I still have one of them left. I'm back. This is what one of the Chloe fragrances look like, and to be more specific, this one is the Fleur de Parfum one, and like I said, it's 0.17 ounces. I believe I got this set at Sephora for 22 bucks. So when you're about to pour it, you literally do this, and like you'll see little droplets coming down. You want to rub it together, and when those notes dry up, you get like sandalwood but really light, and then you just get like aromatic florals and just sweetness, but not as intoxicating as the Fantasy Britney Spears perfume, if that makes sense. The Chloe perfume and the Gucci Bloom, I feel, are on the same level of notes and like elegantness and romanticism in the scent, but it's not to the point where they're so sweet that they're kind of adolescent and more teenager like. But if you would like to know more, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will continue to do hitting pan series. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it, hitting pan series, about all the products that I have used, whether from beauty, hair, skincare, and all of the above. So thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. If you guys really want to support me and want to see my growth, I would really appreciate if you guys can just share my YouTube videos amongst your Twitter accounts, Instagram. Girl needs some support. You know, we're all trying to make it out here. We're all trying to live the dream, so why not support one another? And if you guys have any ideas of collaborating, or you want to partner up and do something together, please let me know. I'm also up and looking forward to it, because it's all about the network. It's all about the network. It's all about the network. But thank you again. Have a great day, guys, and bless. Never lose hope. Your dreams will come true as long as you stay true. Bye now.